Physical fitness is essential for a strong, healthy body. It boosts cardiovascular endurance, muscle strength, flexibility, and helps maintain a healthy body composition, reducing the risk of diseases. It also improves skill-related fitness like agility, balance, coordination, speed, power, and reaction time. These skills help you move better, perform better, and stay safer in daily activities and sports. With the benefits of physical fitness, there are also risks when you don't participate in enough activity.
So, thank you, Mr. Jasper. So, hello everyone. My name is Peter Charles Becoming the Third, and I'm here to tell you about the sedentary risk or risk na ina-expose mo sarili mo if you are idle for too long or have an inactive lifestyle. And I'm gonna do with this while I'm warming up. So, let's go. So, as a student, alam naman natin na we are studying, and studying can overlook our physical health. Pero hindi natin alam ang mga risks na ina-expose natin ang sarili natin by being inactive for very long time. So, I'm here to tell you. So, first, ina-expose natin ang sarili natin about heart attacks and slowing down of our metabolism. So, yes, heart attack itself is bad as it sounds. And kasama rin dito ang slowing down of metabolism. So, if hindi nyo pa alam, slowing down of metabolism is slowing down your ability to break down fats and sugars. And if you are lucky, magmumukhang mataba ka lang. Pero at worst case scenario, magkakaroon ka ng diabetes 2. So, without regular physical activity, hina din ang iyong mga buto at iyong muscle. Natawag natin itong osteoporosis and muscle atrophy. Pasensya na if mali pagbanggit ka ng osteoporosis pala. Okay. So, outside physical health, nakaka-apekto rin ito sa ating mental health. Kasi sabi sa mga study, madami ng study to, na being inactive can increase having anxiety, stress, and depression. So yes, hindi lang ito yung basta-basta na mismong disorder na yung ina-expose mo sarili mo. So, that concludes my part. Keep healthy.
And this is our physical fitness. Number 1, warm up, jogging pace 10 seconds, hip up rotation 10 seconds. Secondly, conditioning, jumping jacks 10 seconds, squats 10 reps, and lastly, cool down, arm cross 10 seconds, head tilt 10 seconds. And that concludes our presentation for physical education. We hope you learned more about the importance of fitness, teamwork, and discipline. Thank you for listening and don't forget to stay active.